Hello friends, this is Scott, and it looks like we've got a couple escapees. That's a Barnevelder hen, and the other one's a white leghorn hen. And the white leghorn is a regular escapee, and the Barnevelder just must be a tag-along today. But I'll pop the gate open a little bit for them. The birds inside aren't smart enough to pull the gate open, but as you'll see here in a minute, the leghorn's are regular, and it knows how to put itself back once I pop the gate. The Barnevelder, again, not a usual escapee, so not quite as sharp. But as you'll see here, the leghorn will just push in and let herself back in, and the Barnevelder will need a little help, it looks like. It's time to clip some wings. Now it's time to check on the May progress of the garlic that was fall planted last year in my raised bed here. Again, for those who haven't seen videos, I've got other links in the description. I've got lots of garlic videos, but this is an old worm bed. That was designed to raise redworms, but I've just put it up on sawhorses and just put a good mix in and planted my garlic. Garlic needs a winter cycle, so let's see how it did over the winter. Again, we're about a month away from harvest. Every year it seems like the harvest is getting sooner and sooner. Early June is generally when I harvest. So let's take a look and see what we got here. We've got pretty good root development, it looks like, but the bulbs are going to need some time to fatten up, and that's the way garlic is. They grow the tops really nice, and then the last month they put on lots of energy to the bulb. So we'll see. So we're about a month away, and we'll see how good of our garlic harvest was. Now this garlic is 22, 24 inches tall at the tallest, and so it's done really well, and we'll see how it does. We'll be mixing in other short videos of spring garden progress for different crops, as well as my longer videos where I'm doing projects. Thank you.